Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.